Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Today, with the help of Allah Almighty, I'm able to provide you this free content so you can have the access to this course and you would be able to learn Quran very easily, and with the passage of the time you will learn it very well, inshallah. As we know that the alphabets play an important role to understand our language, okay? So here we are having following alphabets. Our mentor, our Hafiz Quran teacher would be guiding you all that how you can pronounce these alphabets well, okay? So I hope you all would be performing very well, and this effort of mine would bring fruit and you would be able to understand Quran Pak very well, inshallah. So best of luck and carry on struggling and learning Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال راء زاء سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو هاء همزة يا.
As you have noticed that we have prolonged the length of few of the alphabets while reciting the alphabet. So the basic thing is that there are few of the alphabets that need to be prolonged while pronouncing them. So that's the basic rule. You have to memorize that which of these words we are prolonging, and you can identify these words by by looking at these words that a few of them are having one dot, a few of them are having two dots above and below, so you can just memorize them by their shape.